Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video I'm going to show you how to make an ambient loop for your audience. So an ambient loop is going to be something like the background audience sounds that you might hear, like somebody coughing or sneezing or things like that. That might occur when you are at an award acceptance speech. So to do that, I'm going to go to my backdrops and I'm going to click on my sounds tab. And right now there are some cheering and clapping. That's great, but I want to add in some kind of sound effect. That is, let's see, maybe it's under voice. Yeah. All right, so a sneeze. So I'm going to click on this and add that to it. Now I'm going to add some more real quick. All right, so I've got all these different sounds in here. I've got some sneezes, I got some coughs, I got some people saying yeah and hey, and some footsteps. So these are all different ambient sounds that we might hear. Now we're going to go into the code for the backdrops, and we're going to trigger these at random. So when we press the green flag for our award acceptance speech, I want to forever wait a little bit and then play one of those sounds. So I'm going to have it play a sound, and we're going to use two operator blocks. So one is going to pick how long it waits until it actually does the sound. So I want it to be a random amount, because otherwise it'd be weird if it was like sneeze, 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 sneeze. Like that would be pretty obvious that it was made by a computer, as opposed to waiting sometime between 1 and 10 seconds and then maybe somebody sneezes. Now we also don't want to make it so that it plays the same sound every single time, so we're going to randomly pick between our sounds. So if we go into our sound tab, I don't want them to randomly cheer or clap during the speech, but I do want them to sneeze, cough, and maybe say yeah or hey. So I'm going to randomly pick between sounds 3 and sounds 8. So in my code, I'm going to say pick a random sound between 3 and 8. And so now when I press the green flag, it's going to randomly wait between 1 and 10 seconds and then play one of these sounds, like the sound that you just heard. Now, one of the things that we can also do is we can set it so that these sounds, whoop, bless you, are pretty quiet. So instead of making it so that they're as loud as the person who's talking up there, we can actually make these sounds pretty quiet, like somebody's sneezing and they're trying to like sneeze or cough into their sleeve. So we could say, set the volume to a random amount between 1 and 10%. So it randomly makes them quiet. So experiment with this to make your own ambient audience loop for your award acceptance speech project. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.